Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and simple process on how to change culture in Evony. So if you want to learn how, here is how we can do it. Open your Evony application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the three dots located at the bottom right above Alliance. In the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now, from the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see the Change Culture button. Tap on it in order to end up on this page. Here on the screen, you can scroll through all the 7 Evony cultures. Once you've found the one that you desire, tap on the Change Culture button at the bottom. Remember that if you want to change to this particular culture, you'll need to spend 2000 gems and you'll need to restart the game and download the culture resources. To confirm your account change, tap on Confirm. If you've got insufficient gems, you can also obtain more by buying it. Tap the Buy button and simply go ahead and purchase gems in order to complete your culture change. Once you are done with your transaction, you'll be able to change your culture. Remember that changing your culture in Evony can have a significant impact on your gameplay strategy, so make sure to consider the culture bonuses and choose the one that aligns with your goals and objectives in the game. That is how you can easily change your culture in Evony. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.